You two are so cute. Poor animals. Don't break her neck, Cuddles. Hey, Cuddles. She's just a... You are rotten. Oh, they got out.
Hey, alright.
Dude, quit yelling at each other. Don't be so rough. And look at the food you spilled. Oh my gosh. Got a mess to clean up. Crazy Daisy, Cookie Cuddles.
Hey, what?
Cuddles has been drinking.
Trying to get back in there. Oh, there's a slide in there.
Hey, it's like a freaking wrestling match. Good grief.
Animals.
What the?
Hairballs.
Oh, you're still rubbing or something.
Well, she won't hurt it. She just wants to play.
Yes, you just go rubbing.
You goofy animals.
Hey, what the? He's just got a mess.
Dog, cats or animals or something.
Are you trying to fight? Are you?
You want to be the referee? You
Goofy.
won that wrestling match.
I don't know. Probably Daisy. Daisy was.
Crazy Daisy.
What are you doing? Are you
Yeah,
Daisy.
say hi, Cuddles. Ah, no. Ow. He knocked the Wii over.
Stop.
Goofy.
Gizmo, I'd stay out of the way, dog. You
Yeah.
might get creamed. Those two will cream you.
This is
Oh,
Cuddles just hit.
it's trying to hit me.
Cuddles just hit.
Yeah, Gizmo gets in the way of that, he'll get his butt kicked.
Yep.
Yeah, you don't like that.
What are
He's
you?
a full-grown dog. That's as big as he gets.
He was trying to yell at me.
Where's our second wrestler? There he is.
Hey, stop.
They-
What are you trying to grab?
Gizmo, you better keep your
Get away
two.
of them two wild animals, Gizmo. You'll get your butt creamed.
Yeah, Gizmo's just watching. I don't think.
Referee, who's winning there, Giz?
I think dog is.
And Daisy
You
wins.
know that? He's 6 foot 2.
Daisy. Hi, Daisy. Hi, Daisy. He's friendly.
Here it comes.
Yeah.
Here it comes again.
Yep, there they go. Alright. Hey. Go get him, Daisy. Go get him, Daisy. That's a cord, Daisy.
That's not a play with.
Yep. All this mess of food and stuff.
Dog and cat food, yep.
Cuddle just doesn't even care anymore. He's
Can I
just,
get up on the chair, bud?
yeah. I think Cuddle is worn out. I'm just kidding.
He's like. Oh, there it is.
Yep, there they go. Alright.
TJ, he's like nothing's going on. Lazy butt.
Oh. Really?
Freaking wild animal.
Oh my.
You wild freaking animal.
Ooh, doggy.
Hey! Stop biting on his tiny little ball. Hey, Daisy, be a little bit calmer. Grief,
Yeah,
Daisy.
You're getting a little rough there, girl.
Yeah, sweetie. Cuddle just hissed at him again. Alright, I think. No, the dog's on top of me now.
Hey, no, stop.
Hey,
It's kind of crowded.
they can do that.
Stop, no, 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 no.
They can do that all they want.
He's round up there.
Daisy. Cuddle, you back there?
He's all the way back there. And so
There you go. Cuddle.
Oh, go, come on, come on!
Daisy. Calm down. You alright, Cuddle? Oh, you alright?
Oh, you scared. Cat scared me. Oh,
Cats are athletic animals. Hey, alright. Alright, well, I think our little man's worn out today. I think we might as well just let him rest.